Hello everyone, this is Mark with Stephanie from On the Spot Detailing in Wildwood. And they do a lot of neat stuff here besides detailing. They do graphics, they do wraps, and she's even talking about doing some performance parts on the vehicles. So I'll go ahead and introduce you to Stephanie and she can talk a little bit about the C8 Corvette. Hello Stephanie, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Great. If you want to tell me a little bit about your business here and how long you've been doing this and some of the things you do, and then we'll start talking about this Corvette.
Okay, well, On the Spot Detailing's been in business, first of all, since about 2006, 2007. It's been a very long time. We have 3 shops here in Wildwood, one in Lecanto and one in Ocala. We do detailing, we do paint protection film, we do ceramic coatings, we do decals, we can do some performance parts on vehicles. We can add things like splitters and rockers. So this car, for example, has a full paint protection wrap on it. Everything from the nose to the tail of this car is protected with paint protection film from Expel. The product has a 10-year warranty. It won't yellow, won't crack, won't peel. This car is also ceramic coated. It also has our ceramic window film on it. We also, we don't just do cars, we do RVs, boats, planes, we do it all. We can do paint protection film on. If you notice in this vehicle, anywhere you look at an edge, you don't see any remnants of the film. Everything is tucked and rolled in so that you don't see a hard edge. Makes the install cleaner, makes the car look cleaner in the end.
Yeah, really, you'd never know there was a wrap on this vehicle. That's amazing. Exactly. And then as part of the process of doing this, you said you have a plotter that cuts out the vinyl to any model car.
Yes.
That you want to put this on?
Yep, we pull up the make, model, and trim on our computer, on the plotting system. It prints out on the plotter, and we can take the different parts and kind of squish them together to get the most out of the sheet of film. Then it goes on our glass wall, and we peel it off from there, prep the surface with soapy water, and then install the film, making sure that there's no dirt or debris underneath. And you squeegee out all the liquid, tuck all the edges, heat things down to make sure they stay, and that's really how it's done.
Wow. Now you were saying this is a whole vehicle wrap.
Yes.
Every surface you see on it is covered, whether it's the moldings, the headlights, even a ceramic coating on the windshield. And you also said that some people, they don't want to spend that much money, but they want to protect it, so they'll do certain parts of the car. And you were talking about that earlier, about which parts that is and which parts that people don't think about to do.
Right.
That's really important.
Yeah, so typically there's either people will do an entire car or what we call a full front, which is the hood, bumper, fenders, headlights, and mirrors. And then we typically ask people to add the A-pillars and the front roof edge, anything that's a forward-facing surface that could take damage on the road. These specifically, they do the rockers a lot because anything can kick up. It's very low to the ground. And most people don't think of necessarily the rockers or the A-pillars or things like that. But anything that's forward-facing is the biggest part you want to protect. Protecting the rest of the car is kind of just up to the consumer.
Okay, cool. Now you were saying something about, and I wonder what that was for, and I'll show you guys over here. There's a big sheet of clear plexiglass on the wall back here. And when I first came here, I thought, I wonder what that's for. Maybe it had something to do when you guys shoot video to reflect or something. And you said you put the wrap material on there first. Can you kind of explain that a little bit more? I don't quite understand why you do that. You actually lay it out flat?
Typically we'll wet the glass so that the film sticks to it. And then typically this would have come out of the plotter and had something cut out on it. And then we just kind of peel away the edges, pull out the piece that we're looking to install. We use the water to get it wet as we pull it off, to keep anything in the atmosphere from landing on it, keep it wet, to carry it over to the car.
Okay, so this just makes it easier to peel it off rather than laying it on a table and trying to peel it.
You don't have to have it on the ground where there's dirt. This
okay, well that makes perfect sense now. Cool. Well, Stephanie, thank you very much. I really do appreciate you taking the time. I know you're really busy with the Cars and Coffee today, and you got a great facility here. The coffee and donuts were awesome. We really appreciate you putting on this event, and hopefully we'll be back again for another one.
Absolutely.
So, well, great. You have a great day.
You too.